Okay, so let's take a closer look at some real examples in Lo Medical that showcase how our team used all of the skills that we mentioned during this course and how they apply these principles. In this one right here, we are gonna say a case well handled and a case poorly handled. And this email says, "Hello, Tini. Thanks for your email. How sad that is. I will need to raise the case, but I need your help to report it. Since internally we have an administrative process to follow so that the factory can guide us or help us with the guarantee. I will need you to share one video showing what happened with the frame, with the new part installed. I will need 3 photos that show the cable to see if it's also broken, and then you confirm that we are talking about the serial number and the serial number and the number of invoice. In this case, I will need to escalate since with the part that they suggest to replace the problem was not solved. I have to prove to the factory that we made a replacement and that it remained the same. That is why I ask you for this evidence again. We currently have a customer service specialist, which I copy in this email. It's called Bruno Nazario, and I will be working in hand with her, with me in the case, to provide you the best solution as soon as possible. Bruno, we will need to reopen the case 2346 for medical house. Gather the information again to consult factory. As you see, I requested what we need, so let's wait until we have the response to continue with it. I await your proper response and the person that that sent this email. So what can we notice with this email? It was addressing the client's frustration and emphasizing that we are going to help them, was gathering all the information. So this person was requesting all of the information necessary so we can better understand the real situation. And third was showing what the next steps are and what they should expect from Lo Medical assistance. So this case right here that we just showed, this email that was sent that we just showed, it was a very handled case where they saw what the problem was. They tried to get information and they emphasized they were addressing to the frustration of this client. From this case right here, we can say a case that was not so well handled, and I'm going to give a suggestion of how we can do in the future. So a context, this email right here was created in the case 2484 for a report for Coyote Massima 22. That was a problem with the welding of the backrest, more specifically the frame. Integral request a video has for extra evidence because in the location that was showing the issue did not have a welding, being just one tube. When I asked for the video for our client, it was sent to me a video regarding a footrest, not a backrest. So if you remember, the first report was about a backrest. So they sent me a video about a footrest that has no connection with the case and was a different model of Coyote. And this was the email that they sent it to me. Hola Bruna, un placer saludarte. A realizar la inspección, el problema se dio en la soldadura entre el marco y el reposaje. En la serie encontramos alguna evidencia de daños, pero correspondiente al desgaste natural del equipo por el uso. El caso 2484 fue creado por otros usuarios de NetSuite, pero la Coyote que aprecias en el video no corresponde al equipo indicado. En este caso, el equipo correcto es una Coyote de aluminio. Por eso, trabajar con caso 2663. What we can notice in that email. In this situation, what could be done in the future can be, before creating a case, make sure that you're reporting to the correct equipment as well as the invoice number, that you have all the information, when it happened, how it happened, and where exactly the damage with pictures and videos has evidence. As this case, we were talking about initially about one Coyote, about one specific place that was the backrest, but then when I have an answer was about the footrest and another type of Coyote. So that before you're creating a case, you need to make sure that you're talking about the correct equipment. Also, that you have to save all the communication that you had regarding the issue. Did you spoke on the phone with a technician? Save under the case. Did someone send an email with more information about the issue? You have to save all under the case. So if you have any concerns or maybe the client is not sure of what happened or you don't have enough material to sustain the case, please do not start the case until you have all the information if they are important for the solution. Instead, you can send an email to your stakeholder asking to be specific by using your soft skill and attention to details. You can also send an email to the customer service support and ask for the guidance of what you can do. Communication is key to have our process flowing.